Okay, students, today we are going to learn Unit 1, poem number 1.1, Bridge. Okay, so let's see. Listen and recite the poem with actions. First, listen carefully. I'm going to read it, okay? Boats sail on the rivers. Boat sail on the rivers. Let's go through the river. And ships sail on the seas. Ship sail on the seas. See, boat and ship both are water vehicles. Let's go through the water. Ship is bigger, boat is smaller. Okay, let's go through the water. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky. Clouds that sail across the sky. Where we see the clouds? In the sky, right? Are prettier than these. They are look prettier, right? All the things, which things look prettier? Clouds. It's more beautiful. There are bridges on the rivers. There are bridges on the river. If we want to go from this side to that side, from bridge we are passing through. Okay? So, there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. They are so pretty. But the bow. What is bow? Here they call bow for the rainbow. But the bow that bridges heaven. Heaven means Jannat. Okay? But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree. Overtops the tree. It means पेड़ों से भी ऊपर. What they are talking about? Rainbow. And builds a road from earth to sky. It's look like it's building a road from earth to sky. Okay? And is prettier far than this. So, comparing with this bridge and this bridge, which is the more prettier? Rainbow. Okay? So, here's the poem Bridge is talking about which thing? It is talking about a rainbow. Okay? Now, again, please repeat after me. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Okay, students? So, what you have to do is, you have to repeat the lines. Try to read again and again. Okay? Thank you. Okay, student. Now, after that, this is your homework. Okay? So, write down date 27 July 2020. 1.1 poem name Bridge. Okay? Look, say and write. It means you see the word, say the spelling and write it down. Okay? Suppose R-I-V-E-R, river. Write it down, okay? S-K-Y, sky. S-E-A-C, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. H-E-A-V-E-N, heaven. A-C-R-O-S-S, across. E-A-R-T-H, earth. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, prettier. S-H-I-P-S, ships. B-O-W, bow. Bow means rainbow. O-V-E-R-T-O-P-S, overtops. Okay? This is your homework. Okay? Thank you.